Nestled in the northeastern corner of Brazil, Salvador is the capital of Bahia, a state known for its rich Afro-Brazilian culture, historic architecture, and stunning coastline. The city overlooks the Atlantic Ocean, blending vibrant urban life with a deep connection to its colonial past. This journey will explore the heart of Bahia, from Salvador's colorful streets to the region's lively festivals and hidden coastal gems.
Landing in Salvador, you immediately notice the energy of the city. Streets are lined with colonial buildings painted in bright yellows, blues, and pinks. Street musicians play lively rhythms, and locals move through markets selling colorful fabrics, fruits, and handicrafts. Salvador feels alive, offering a mix of history, culture, and daily life, inviting visitors to dive into its unique atmosphere.
Pelourinho, Salvador's historic center, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Cobblestone streets wind through vibrant colonial buildings adorned with intricate balconies. Here, the city's Afro-Brazilian heritage is palpable. Street performances, traditional capoeira, and open-air art galleries capture the essence of Salvador's spirit. Every corner feels like a living museum, blending the old world with a dynamic, modern energy.
If you're loving this journey through Salvador, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more travel adventures. Pelourinho is the perfect place to immerse yourself in Bahian culture. Try local delicacies like Acarajé or Moqueca, enjoy live Samba performances, and watch artisans create handmade crafts that reflect centuries of tradition.
Salvador's markets are a feast for the senses. Vendors sell tropical fruits, spices, and traditional foods while vibrant colors surround every stall. Street performers add rhythm to the scene, from drummers to dancers, creating a lively, engaging atmosphere. Walking through these markets offers insight into everyday life and the enduring cultural traditions of Bahia.
Bahia is the birthplace of many musical styles, including samba, axe, and a fox. Drums and percussion instruments echo through streets and squares, inviting locals and visitors to dance. Learning a few steps of traditional dance here is more than fun. It's a connection to centuries of cultural heritage and a way to feel the rhythm of Salvador in your bones.
Capoeira, the Afro-Brazilian martial art that combines dance, acrobatics, and music, is a must-see in Salvador. Performed in public squares or small gyms, capoeira demonstrations show incredible agility and rhythm. Watching or even joining in offers a dynamic way to engage with local culture, blending sport, performance, and history in one unforgettable experience.
The São Francisco Church is a Baroque masterpiece, famous for its gilded interiors and intricate woodwork. Its detailed carvings and gold-covered walls reflect the wealth and craftsmanship of colonial Bahia. Visiting the church provides both a spiritual and historical perspective, revealing how religion and artistry shaped Salvador over the centuries.
Salvador's coastline is dotted with stunning beaches, from calm, golden sands to more adventurous surf spots. Porto de Barra Beach is perfect for a relaxing afternoon, while Praia do Flamengo offers waves for surfing enthusiasts. The Atlantic Ocean's sparkling waters provide a beautiful backdrop to the city, merging urban life with natural beauty.
Bahian cuisine is a flavorful fusion of African, Portuguese, and indigenous influences. Dishes like moqueca, a coconut-based fish stew, and acarajé, deep-fried bean fritters, showcase this mix. Street food vendors, seaside restaurants, and traditional markets all provide opportunities to taste authentic flavors, making Salvador a paradise for culinary explorers.
Afro-Brazilian traditions are deeply rooted in Salvador. Candomblé rituals, colorful festivals, and religious celebrations permeate the city's life. Participating in or observing these cultural expressions offers a window into centuries of heritage, showing how music, dance, and spirituality remain vital in Bahia today.
The Lacerda elevator connects the lower and upper parts of Salvador, offering panoramic views of the bay. From this vantage point, the city's colorful buildings, busy port, and glimmering water create an unforgettable scene. It's a perfect spot for photography or simply soaking in the urban and coastal landscape of Bahia.
A short drive from Salvador leads to Praia do Forte, a coastal gem with calm waters and lush surroundings. Turtle conservation projects and charming villages add interest to the area. Walking along the beach, snorkeling, or exploring local shops creates a peaceful contrast to the city's vibrant energy.
Beyond Salvador, Bahia is dotted with historical towns like Capoeira and Santo Amaro. Colonial architecture, cobbled streets, and cultural festivals preserve the region's heritage. Visiting these towns offers insight into the everyday life and history of Bahia outside the bustling capital.
Bahia hosts numerous festivals, but the highlight is undoubtedly the Carnival of Salvador, one of the largest street parties in the world. Unlike Rio's Samba schools, here the heartbeat is axe and a fox, carried through the city by the legendary Trios Electricos, giant trucks turned into mobile stages with powerful sound systems and live performers. Dancers and crowds follow these moving concerts for hours, filling the streets with rhythm, joy, and unending energy. This unique style of carnival makes Salvador's celebration an unforgettable experience, attracting visitors from across the globe. Beyond carnival, local saint festivals and neighborhood parades add color, drumming, and community spirit throughout the year.
Bahia's coastline is varied and beautiful, with hidden beaches and small fishing villages. Exploring mangroves, dunes, and estuaries provides a closer connection to nature. Coastal trails and viewpoints offer spectacular perspectives on the ocean and surrounding landscapes.
Salvador's art scene reflects its cultural diversity. Galleries, street art, and artisan markets showcase paintings, sculptures, and handmade jewelry. Engaging with local artists highlights the creativity thriving in Bahia and offers a tangible way to take a piece of the city home.
As evening falls, Salvador squares and bars come alive with music, dancing, and vibrant street life. Live bands, samba clubs, and cultural performances create a lively atmosphere, showing how the city's energy continues well into the night.
Standing proudly at the entrance of All Saints Bay, the Farol de Barra is one of Salvador's most iconic landmarks. Built within the historic Santo Antonio de Barra fort, the lighthouse has guided sailors for centuries. Today, it's not only a symbol of the city but also a favorite gathering spot for locals and visitors alike. During the day, you can explore the fort's small maritime museum and enjoy panoramic views of the coastline. As evening falls, the area transforms into a magical setting, the lighthouse silhouetted against the Atlantic Ocean, with the sun painting the sky in shades of orange and pink. Watching the sunset here is considered one of the most unforgettable experiences in Salvador.
Watching the sunset over Salvador Bay is magical. Golden light illuminates colonial buildings, beaches, and the water, offering a moment of reflection. Sunset shots are perfect for cinematic sequences, emphasizing the beauty and tranquility that balance the city's lively rhythm.
Salvador and Bahia offer a rich blend of culture, history, and natural beauty. From colorful streets and lively music to serene beaches and historical towns, the region leaves a lasting impression. Exploring this corner of Brazil is an invitation to immerse yourself in a vibrant world, full of rhythm, color, and unforgettable experiences.